We live. What's going on? What's going on? Welcome, welcome. Fresh and trading day. It's a Wednesday. It's coming to make some moolah. Coming to some moolah. If you're watching, when you execute these trades, do not risk your whole account on this trade. And I say this again, do not risk your whole account on the first entry of the trade. Welcome in, welcome in. Got about 3 minutes till we got about 3 minutes till market opens. You see the signal on the higher time frame. Yo. Yeah. Hey, the instrumental tonight. This is my man's Mo. So we are featuring his instrumentals tonight. Mo. That's my dog down here in Cambodia. Former NBA player for the Mavericks. Real cool dude. And you all can check out the short after we make this money tonight, and you can see. You can actually see what we got going on down here. Yeah, we posted a clip. So it looked like we got buys off the open. This is the hour. This is the hour time frame. We're gonna start leading with the higher time frame, guys. So we got about 2 minutes. We got buys off the open. So let's get ready. Yep, so if you're just tuning in, we trade the SPX or the ES if you're trading the futures. So let's come in and make some money. We got about a minute until market opens, and we got buys off the open. So calls, buy a call. All right, get ready. If you're trading on the futures or the ES, or the forex market, you can actually buy right now. You don't have to wait until market opens, so you can execute that buy right now. If you're trading in equities, like if you're trading on Robinhood, Webull, SoFi, Interactive Brokers, we gotta wait. So, but buy SPY, and we got 3 seconds to market opens. I'm buying off the open. And any dip, do not risk your whole account on the first open, on the first play. So the market is open, and I'm buying my first call right now. 690 calls, and I'm getting in right now. All right, you should be in. We're in calls. 690 calls if you're on Robinhood. But if you're on the liquid broker, just click buy. SPX. Add more positions down here. I'm adding one more right now. I'm adding one more right now. I just added. All right, hold what you got. Hold what you got. Yep, stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. We're in calls. All right, there you go. If you enter any, you should be pushing profits now. So if you enter anywhere where we told you to add, you should be in decent profits now, or you should be at least near break even. So hold what you got. Yep, hold what you got. All right, there you go. There's your push, guys. There's your push. I'm up 5%. All right, hold what you got. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. There you go. There's your push. There's your push, guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. And I'm out. That's 17%. I'm out of one contract right now. All right, guys. I'm out. I'm out. That's an easy 100 and easy day. Easy day today. Good job. Good job. Good job today. Good job today. Good job today. And I'm officially out of all contracts. All right, guys. I'm out. That was the push. All right, guys. That was the push we was looking for. We got it. We got it. I hope y'all got out. All All right, that was the push. Let me know how y'all do. Let me know how y'all do in the chat. Let me know how y'all do. All right, let me know how y'all do in the chat. Yeah, I hope y'all got out. That was the push we wanted back to the upside. So. All right, let me know how y'all doing in the chats. There you go. There you go. There's that crazy push. So if you're still being greedy, you should have made you another little bag, extra little bag, extra little snuggie pack. All right, let me know how y'all did in the chat. What percent? I made 17% today. Made profit, my dog. Okay, nice. Good work. Good execution. Good work. How you do, Grace? How you do, Grace? All right, let me stop. I'm being greedy. All right, I kept one more position open. Oh man, I kept one more position open. I'm out of everything now. I was being a little greedy, trying to get the extra 5%. Yeah, I'm out of everything. So, good job. Yeah, the way it's moving, either they're about to flush it or they're about to rise it real crazy. The way this market is moving right now. So either they're about to flush it, 23%. Yeah, so the way, so if you still have any positions, it's looking like they're about to flush the market. Either they're going to rise it or flush. Yeah, I guess they flushed it. Good job, 23%. Good job. And if everybody can do me a favor, post their gains in the chat. Any gains will be, you can post anything. Any percentage you made, that'd be great. You all can do that. And yeah, like I said, the way this market is moving, they're either finna flush it or they finna rise it crazy, like they're doing right now. And yeah. So if you're still being greedy, then you just got to get out. Yeah, they about to do something real. They about to like literally about to either skyrocket it up or they're about to flush it. The way it's moving like this. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm not doing any more trades today. You should have made good percentages. You should have made pretty good percentages today. So, good job, good execution to everybody. And, nice. Yeah. Much needed day. All right, good job. Good job. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day. We're going to work on getting these signals so you all can just start taking these signals. I'm pretty sure we got a signal at lower time. Yeah, I'm almost pretty sure we got a signal at lower time. Yeah. We got two signals. MMU buy and number one. Yeah. Good job. All right, if you're just tuning in, we just executed trades on the SPY. We trade SPY every single day at 9:30 New York Standard Time. It's free. Coming to make some money. Coming to make some moolah. Also join the Discord with the link in the description and the link in the comments. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll catch y'all on.